No, I must drive G-Wagon matte black head to toe. Ah. Hello and welcome to my channel. So I'll be doing a get to know me tag today. I have all the questions on my phone, and this channel is about food. Why not eat while answering questions? I have some food here. I have chicken gizzard, I have yam, I have shrimp, I have some sauce for my yam because the yam is really dry just on its own, and I have a drink. So let's get into the video. I'm really hungry, by the way, so that is really good. I'm a very boring person when it comes to sweets. I'm not a fan of sweets, so I usually just keep it simple. I'm a fan of spicy, not sweet. So when it comes to ice cream, my favorite flavor is vanilla flavor. Sometimes I like the Oreos vanilla mix thing that Dairy Queen has. This is Dairy Queen. Why would anyone even answer a question like that? Next. If I could trade places with a famous person for a day, I don't know. I'll probably just move money from their account to my account. So when the trade is over, I'll be rich. I mean, what else is there to do? That's what I think I'll do. Move money from their account to mine. So when the trade is over, I'll be rich. I'm sure there are plenty, but I actually don't remember anyone. If I had 5 lives, so what would I do? I'll probably do all those crazy things people do on vacations. You know, skydiving, bungee jumping, swimming in the ocean, and all that craziness. Because this girl here isn't doing that in this life, just one life. But 5 lives, I can risk a life or 2. I grew up in Port Harcourt. I'm a Port Harcourt girl. I have a sister and I have a brother, a younger sister and a younger brother. Currently, I live in Canada, and to be specific, I live in Calgary. Typically, my favorite breakfast would be like an English breakfast. Being who I am, I'll probably just have oats because it involves 2 minutes in the microwave. I'm not a morning person. I don't want to have to get into the kitchen to do anything. My phone. I mean, isn't that the same for everybody's phone? I think my favorite foreign food has to be sushi. It has to be sushi. I really love sushi. I was supposed to explore sushi this summer, but Corona is outside. If you're like me, when you're eating something really delicious, you have to dance because God is good all the time. My dream car, G-Wagon, matte black from top to the bottom. I mean wheels, everything matte black. The money is not here as long as there is life. there is hope. No, I must drive G-Wagon, matte black, head to toe. My dream car is a G-Wagon, matte black G-Wagon. From the top to the bottom, wheels, everything matte black. 3 days. 3 days, guys. I went 3 days without a shower. In my defense, I was pregnant and sick. I was really sick, and I was alone at home, so I just couldn't. So I just stayed in bed. Never. Why should I do that? Leave the comfort of your own house to go and sleep outside. The possibility of animals, mosquitoes and all that. If it doesn't involve a hotel room, a comfortable bed, hot food, no animals, I'm not involved. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.